The ECOVACS DEEBOT T20 Omni robot vacuum is a game changer in the cleaning industry, featuring the first hot water mop washing system with a temperature of 131 degrees Fahrenheit, which dissolves oil and dirt effectively. It comes with a 9mm auto mop lifting feature that lifts the mopping plates when a carpet is detected, ensuring your rugs and carpets stay clean and dry. The vacuum boasts a superior suction power of 6,000 Pascal, making it capable of removing dust and dirt from hardwood floors, ceramic tiles, and even carpets. The T20 Omni employs Advanced TrueDetect 3D 3.0 Object Avoidance technology, using real-time 3D scanning and detection to avoid potential hazards on the ground, ensuring a smooth and peaceful cleaning. You can customize your cleaning experience with the T20 Omni PreciSense LiDAR navigation and TrueMapping 2.0 technology, which creates 3D maps, sets no-go zones, and schedules cleaning routines. The vacuum offers a seamless interactive experience with its self-contained Eco voice assistant, eliminating the need for connections to Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Siri.